Indian items or what are the Asian items which you can get here in Italy? I know there will be a lot of questions regarding masala will be there, khada powder will be there, or lentige will be there. I mean, sorry, pulses will be there. How will be the rice? How much the cost? So totally, I'm going to show you the price of each items of all those categories and in details, and all the prices of vegetables. What you can get it from the Asian market. Our own super mini market. So it's an Asian supermarket just near to the Pisa Central Station. There is a central station, and just near is this. Let's go inside and check the prices and details. So let's start with the pulses. Okay, so pulses are all here. So this is the 500 kg packet. It's of 1.8, so it's around 180 rupees. This is chana dal, again same half kilo ka packet hai, 180 rupees. Ki dal, okay, so the moong ki dal hai, this one you will get in around 300 rupees for 1 kg packet. 1.3 approx 100 rupees for 500 grams. Okay, so you can see all the dal varieties are here, all the dal varieties. If you want to take urad dal is here. Two brands you will find here in Italy for Indian items. One is TRS, it's very famous brand, and another is WSA. Okay, so these things you need to buy only for the Asian market shop, because these lentils and all in the supermarket, in the big supermarket, will be quite expensive. Then let's come to the rice. So in rice there will be different Thai rice from India, right from Pakistan, but this rice is very good. This is from the Pakistan, the basmati rice. It is 2.81 kg. So basically basmati rice will be expensive here in Italy. If you want to buy some cheap rice, maybe you can buy it from Esselunga. There it will cost you 3.2 for 2 kg. Okay, then another basmati rice 2.8. So basically 2.8 to 3 euro means around 270 rupees you will find the basmati rice. Okay, now this type of rice which usually, this is jasmine one. This jasmine is 2.5. Maggi noodles, you know, all these things you can find. Poha. I know Indoris, people from Indore, they love poha. So this 300 gram packet is 1.5 euros. Okay, you can also find here sevai, vermicelli 1.2. These are the snacks items what you can find here. All the snacks of Haldirams. Aloo bhujia is there. So this is, it's 1.8 for all, where it is a moong dal, chana dal, aloo bhujia, all is 1.8 euro for 200 grams. Okay, you can also find here jhalmuri of 50 cents. Okay, so we have son papdi. If you're going for lunch or dinner at some friend's house, some foreigner friend's house, you can take this packet, son papdi 2.8. In sweets, apart from this, we also have gulab jamun, we have laddus. So we have also this which has rasgulle. Okay, this is of 3 euro, Dolce Indiana, Indian sweets. Okay, these are the varieties of the meats that you will get here. Okay, so they will cut and they will give you like in our country. So let's talk about the vegetables. What vegetables you will get? I mean, it's not very easy to find Indian vegetables here, especially. So this is bhindi. It's 8 euro per kg. It is around 720 rupees. Then this is Karela. It's 2.5 euro per kg. It's around 200 rupees. You will get chilies. And yeah, and what else? धनिया लेना हो आपको, यहाँ पे एक धनिया मिलता है in the supermarket, but don't get confused. Don't take that dhania. If you want to take actual dhania, come to the Asian shop and you can buy there. Chilies also you will get in the other supermarkets, but they are not the actual chilies. So this will be, I think, chilies from India. Yeah, this is from India. This chili, it's of 5 euro. You can also get here this sabudana, 1.9 euro. Hair oil you can get Dabur Amla hair oil. This is 200 ml of 5 euros, so approx 450 rupees. Mehendi you won't find it actually from the India, but they get this mehendi from this is from Pakistan. You can use this for your hairs, and you can use also this for your hand. If you want the cone mehendi, you have to order it from Amazon. Chai ke bina to we cannot live, right? Chai is very important. So you will get here the taza tea, taza tea of 2 euros, and this is how much grams? It's not written. I think this is 200 grams, around 180 rupees. Then you will also get Tata tea here Tata Tea Premium. Usually most of the students they buy this. Of 3 euro, so around 270 rupees. Then of one Tapal tea is also good. You can. Now let's go into the world of spices, because without that we are like, we don't have a food taste without spices. You will get cumin powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder, chili powder. This is more chili, garlic powder, ginger powder. This is hot madras powder, mild madras powder, tandoori masala. Okay, so these cost are 1.2 euros. Okay, so cost will vary in spices. Like this is of 2 euros. This is from India. Okay, it's of 50 grams. Mostly these packets are 50 gram. This is very expensive actually, cardamom. I mean, it's 4 euros for 50 grams. So approx 360 rupees cardamom. You will get also methi, fennel seeds, jeera. You will get whole honey. You will get ajwain. You will get cinnamon powder. You will get dalchini. Important sweets what you can make at home also, this rasmalai and gulab jamun. So 1.8 euro and 1.8 euros. If you don't want to purchase all the masalas, you can directly buy all these chicken powder, then biryani masala, Bombay biryani masala, fish masala, kadhai meat, chana, seekh kebab, achar ghosh, tandoori, kofta, nihari, and you can find also the shan masalas here. So we also have MDH 2.5 euro kasturi methi.
See this national products. What's any
So
products
these
promote?
are Laziza and Shan. These are from Pakistan, right?
These are national shan. Yeah.
Okay, so it's of 1.8 euro, 1.8 euro for these. So you can also use this if you don't know much of the cooking. So I suggest you to buy these packets, these one, and directly use it without mixing too many ingredients. Okay, what else? Yeah, you also have chunky chaat masala. Chunky chaat masala, 1.8 euro for 100 grams of that. That's it. Pani puri. Haldiram's Pani Puri, only of 4 euro 50 cents. So that's it for today, guys. If you want to know price of any specific product, you can just write me in the comment below, and I'll be more than happy to tell you the exact price of those products. Or if you are very in dilemma that which product to bring, which not to bring, you can just ask me the price here directly, and then you can evaluate to bring that item or to not bring that item. Thank you so much for watching Travel with Meg till the time. Bye bye. Ciao ciao.